Hi, everybody. So I've been talking a lot about taking your oil in a capsule. These are Veggie Caps. There's about 160 of these little capsules. And I know it's hard to see. I'll try and bring it up against my black here. See that? It opens up like this. You put in whatever oil you want. So I'm using some MetaPower oil, and you can put in like however many drops. I'll put 3. And you can also, if you're like, say you have a urinary tract infection or something, and there's a certain blend that you want, you can mix your oils in this little capsule, put them in here like that, snap it. Do you hear that? And then look, you have your oil there, and you just take it with water, just like any other capsule that you would take. And this bottle runs about $4. So with your next MetaPower order, when you're reordering, just order some Veggie Caps, and you can add an extra lemon or cinnamon or peppermint or whatever oils you feel you need. And then there's also a book like this one, right, that you can order from Oil Life. There's so many different things that you can do just to make your life easier and deal with your health challenges, because we're a wellness company, health and wellness. We want you off all the drugs. We don't want you to be on so many things. We want you to just stay natural. So again, message me, email me, see what you need. Any questions, we're here for you. Bye.